We have to separate our intact buck permanently.
He's starting to get a little literally bucky with our pregnant doe.
We're gonna build Luke his own
Bachelor Pad, if you will.
Let's find out how he's doing. That's not promising.
From Hollywood to the Homestead.
Oh boy. Looks like another fencing job.
Fortify!
Well, it's yet again time to install some more fencing because we're first-time farmers. We got our babies growing up and we're learning how to deal with them as they age. Luke has been getting bigger. He's our buck and he's starting to get a little literally bucky with our pregnant doe. And that's not great because he can actually cause a miscarriage by stressing her out too much. So
Technically, if you have an intact buck, that means a buck that has not been castrated, and he is a buck that we want to keep intact for breeding purposes so that we can continue to have babies and start milking our goats. You're generally supposed to separate them. And if you call back to an episode where we put his little curtain on, Luke has been wearing an anti-breeding curtain, which is there to essentially stop him from being able to...
and also to drive him crazy from not being able to...
Right. So it's working in terms of that. But unfortunately, the testosterone is making him act a little bit nutty, no pun intended.
Oh, damn.
He's getting aggressive. And what we don't want is to cause stress to the female goats. And so we're at a point now where we realized that was an okay solution, but it's not a permanent one. We have to separate our intact buck permanently. He can no longer be with the girls, which is sad because he is a sweet boy. And we don't want Poppy to miscarry because of his aggression or stress, because apparently they can miscarry from stress.
And now all of our female goats also have had their first time in season, and so
it's making him even crazier. Today we have to do something about it. So the whole scope of the plan actually involves probably getting another goat so that he can have a buddy. Goats are social animals, and even though he'll just be on the other side of the fence as the girls, you want to have a buddy for him. So the best thing to do in this case is get a wether, which is a male goat that is not intact, that is a castrated male goat. They won't have hormonal challenges with each other. If you had two intact goats, they could literally kill each other.
Right.
Like they will get very aggressive with each other and fight for girls.
Yep, so we've learned.
Yeah. So along the road, we'll probably get him a buddy. But for now, what we're trying to do to save money and time is use some existing fencing that's in our yard, a portion of our yard that we don't really use, we just have to mow, all of this right here. And utilizing the fencing that we broke down from our friend who gave us all that awesome goat fencing, we're gonna build Luke his own
Bachelor Pad, if you will.
Yes, his own paddock. And we actually struck gold on the way home. There was a whole bunch of trees that had been cut down for cellular wiring. And we took some stumps.
Gonna get a nice little jungle gym going for him. Not as an apology or a bribery for our love.
Yeah.
Not that at all.
Give him something fun to do. Thankfully, from what we salvaged, we've got a nice, perfect gate. We've got posts, we've got hardware. And because Christmas just happened and we got ourselves some legitimate tools.
Yeah, we do.
We have some awesome power tools that are going to help us with this project. This is pretty easy. All we're going to do is
Frolic this way with us.
frolic this way. We're going to be fencing from this part of the fence that's already existing next to their door so that we can still have easy access into the girls. And we're going to fence all the way to the end, corner of the house there.
And should be a nice, easy project, huh? Shouldn't take any time at all. Even though I said it sarcastically, I just jinxed us. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Let's do it, baby. Okay, another fencing project down, and it didn't quite take all day.
It didn't, despite this little beast who we are babysitting. He likes to try to chase the goats. It's kind of funny, but it stresses them out too. He thinks he's a goat herder. This guy, all 5 pounds of him.
Hey, I mean, cut to the video, it worked. Yeah.
You're afraid of Widget.
Ring around the mommy.
He is a sheep herder. It's okay, Mary.
Take notes, steady down.
Look at him go. Look at him go. This is Widget. I think he's been in some of our episodes before. But anyway, we feel pretty good about it. There's still some things that we are going to do tomorrow. No. To make it even better. But we're at a point right now where we want to let Luke in here for a few hours tonight and just see how he does on his own. So before we do that, we're going to build him some jungle gym type stuff, put some hay and some water in there for him, and then we'll bring him in and see how he does.
Let's go. Luke Bartholomew. Time to check out the new digs, yo. Oh, don't be so excited about it.
All right, here we go. Come on, Luke. Luke.
And only Luke. Only Luke. Yeah.
It's exciting, isn't it, Luke?
Come on, Luke.
Come to your new area.
Check it out, buddy.
Widget is freaking.
Good job, Widget. Yeah. What do you think, buddy? It's like, I'm gonna wreck this ring light. That's what I'm gonna do.
What do you think, bud?
Scan the lay of the land. It's like, okay. I can put my TV over here. I got my couch. I can put that here. Get the kitchen over here.
Good boy.
I love you, Mom. You're the best. I think he loves it.
He's a little set right now.
Well, he doesn't know it's permanent yet, but...
To his girls. He doesn't like that.
Yeah. Well, maybe you shouldn't have bucked him at all times, huh? Give me back my girl. I miss you, Pippin. Oh, water? Okay, that's cool.
Well, the sun is going down. We've done all that we can today. I think we did a great job. We're gonna go get some food, and when we come back, we're gonna put Luke back in with the girls so that he's sleeping with them. Tomorrow we'll do this during the day again. And then on Monday, we're gonna pick up a little shelter, and that will be his goat house, and that's the day when Luke will be here permanently. They grow so fast, it breaks my little heart. These goats who love oats don't want to be apart.
Love that song. It's a classic.
Classic. It's a hit.
I'll see you later, boy.
You'll be okay, Luke.
Wait for me, whammy.
I don't want to be alone.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat your finger.
I like bossing these ladies around.
Luke, pull my finger.
Maybe we can bring him some cookies.
You want a cookie? Would it make it up to you for taking away your girls? Yeah? Okay. He's not quite digging yet, is he, baby?
Okay. Definitely knew that he wasn't going to dig it.
Yeah.
It's going to take some time.
At least he's using his tight-ass jungle gym.
So it's the next morning after we made a separate little run for Luke. Let's find out how he's doing. Excuse me, I'm rolling here. We gotta get that boy a buddy.
This boy is actually crazy right now. We let him go back with the girls because we didn't want to have Luke here keeping everyone up all night screaming his head off, which admittedly defeats the purpose of separating them. I mean, tomorrow we're gonna get him a new crate. We're gonna make a new goat shelter for him. It's gonna be the Luke house. We're feeling really bad about what this guy's going through. It's a transition yet again. First we take away the bottles, and now we take you away from your harem. We're very sorry, buddy. Speaking of buddy, we're gonna get you a buddy. Yeah. You won't be alone out here forever. Luke, would you like a buddy? You want to buck my hand? Yeah. Yeah. Come here, Luke. Want a treat? It's like, don't lie to me, boy.